Hey bunnies! For today's video, we're going to be talking about Ghost Bond glue and how I use it. Usually, in the past couple of videos when I was wearing my wigs, I would always use Got2b glue. One day I'm at my beauty supply store and I see Ghost Bond glue, and I do remember seeing some reviews here on YouTube of girls using it. I didn't actually watch those reviews, but I did read that Ghost Bond was one of the better glues, as well as Bolt Hold. Okay, so got my bottle. Mine cost $19.99. Everywhere else I always saw for $20-something, and I wasn't interested in ordering it online. So when I saw it in the store and it was cheaper than online, I was like, why not get it? What I want to tell you is that this glue is unlike anything else you will ever use in your entire life. This glue, it dries quickly. It doesn't leave any nasty residue when you're taking it off. Like, you do have the gumminess, of course, but it's easy to come off. It doesn't like burn off your let me not say that. If you leave it on for too long, like for me, usually I wear my wigs for like a week and then I give my scalp a break, my skin a break, and then maybe like a week or 2 weeks after I go in with the glue again. I decided, my genius idea, when I had the blue hair and I had the Got2b glue for the first week, everything was fine. That's when I got the Ghost Bond glue and I used that for the second week. Okay, fine. When I took that off and I put on my curly wig, that would have been the second week with the Ghost Bond, but 3 weeks with my scalp not getting any air to breathe. I did get a burn on one of these sides here, which you will see in my demo video. Do not leave your wigs on for more than a certain period of time. Your skin needs to breathe. You need to properly wash your face and cleanse and moisturize and do your masks and all that good stuff so that your skin is not crazy, because at the end of the day, this is a chemical that you're putting on your skin. So let me just put that out there from now for everybody who think, all right, I'm going to wear this forever and ever and ever. No, that's not what we're going to be doing out here. This is for if, let's say, you're going on vacation, you're going to be swimming, you're going to be on the little bike thingy majiggies, you're going to be on a boat or whatever, you're going to be hiking or running and you're sweating. This is perfect for that. The Ghost Bond, not the Ghost Bond, the Got2b glue, that will lift right off as soon as you start sweating. This right here is not moving an inch. So the first thing I do is I take 99% alcohol and a cotton ball and just clean my foreline completely. Make sure your face is washed first. I wash my face first and then I go in and clean where I'm going to be putting the glue. Now, because this is a synthetic wig, I didn't do a lot of layers. Usually I will do like 3 or 4 layers, and that will hold for a long period of time, for like a whole week plus. But I'm not going to be keeping this on for that long, so I only did 2 layers. You want to do thin layers, so dot dot dot, just like you see me doing in the video, and then use a synthetic brush to spread it across your foreline so that it thins out and it dries quickly. If you put a thick layer, it's going to take forever to dry, and then if you put it on before it dries clear, you're going to see white stuff coming through the lace, and that's not cute. That's not what you want. Okay, like, we all know it's a wig, but you don't want it to look like a wig. Now with this one, I did leave a little bit of lace in the front like I usually do, and that's just so that it had something to adhere to. This is a main concept wig, and I do have a bigger head and my braids are a little fat so it comes up a little bit in the back, so it's not covering the nape of my neck completely. But regardless of that, I still have to leave a little bit of lace just so that it can stay down on my head. But after I do all of that, if there's any parts on the sides that are lifting that I did not get with the glue, just put a little tip, use the same synthetic brush to blend that out, and when it's clear, just tap it on there. After I do all of that, I do wrap it with a scarf just for like a couple minutes or so while I'm doing my brows and foundation, and then I take it off, finish my makeup, and then I am good to go. This unit is going nowhere, nada, no place it not go. It's still there, it's still on there. Yeah. Now the unit that I'm wearing, like I said, is from Main Concept. I might do a review on it next week because I do think this is one of their newer wigs. This is the V-cut wig. I forget the name of her, but she's pretty cool. She's very soft, but that's beyond the point. Ghost Bond glue, do I recommend? I highly recommend. Do I recommend it over Got2b glue? Definitely. If you want a temporary fix, this can work. It dries very quickly, quicker than the Got2b glue. If you're going to be sweating and swimming, if you walk a lot or run a lot or whatever the case is, this is definitely what you need. It's not going to come off with perspiration or anything like that. I do think it says leave on for like an hour or so before going into water. It actually doesn't say that. Yeah, no, it doesn't say that at all. No, it doesn't. But that's what I would recommend. Don't try to, you know, somebody put it on, jump in a pool or whatever the case is. Like, leave it on for a little bit. But it does say, especially formulated for oily scalps, high humidity, high perspiration, and you should shake well before using. I've never shaken it before, so. But that's it. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I didn't mention, leave it in the comment section below. If you have any questions for me, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace, sign, and kissy face. Bye.